Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned S560 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 pushing out 461 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige espresso brown Napa leather interior with a high gloss black burl walnut trim. Panorama sunroof. This one does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you rear memory seats, rear heated and cooled seats, S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all season and regular floor mats. This also does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you a active lane change assist, active steering assist. On the side we got Burmeister sound system, our heated and cooled front seats, memory seats, our windows, illuminated door sill. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, including the premium package is navigation, surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, hard keys for media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This S560 has 36,047 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S560 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.